Form 1099 NEC, also known as the Non-Employee Compensation, is used by businesses to report payments made to non-employees, including self-employed individuals, freelancers, independent contractors, and sole proprietors. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of Form 1099 NEC that you can easily complete and submit online. Please note that Copy A is provided for informational purposes only. Scroll to Copy 1. Start by filling in the payers and recipients' information such as names, addresses, phone numbers, EIN, SNN, TIN, and so on. Use Box 1 to enter non-employee compensation and Box 4 for federal income tax withheld. Fill Boxes 5, 6, and 7 to inform about state income tax purposes. Once every field has been completed and checked off, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the completed document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, or send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it to a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.